Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking e-signature using Canva in just a few minutes. First, open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. In the search bar, type signature to explore a variety of pre-designed signature templates. Browse through them and select a style that fits your personal or professional brand. Till you've picked a template, click Customize this template. Here, you can adjust fonts, colors, and design elements to make the signature truly yours. Focus on the text area and replace the placeholder with your name. Play around with font styles and sizes until you're happy with how it looks. After finalizing your design, click the download button at the top right corner. Canva lets you download your signature in formats like PNG or JPG, perfect for digital documents and emails. And that's it. You now have a sleek, professional e-signature ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy designing!